That's a nice fish. Good morning, guys. We're out here at Boca Grand today. See if we can make anything happen. It's pretty cold, pretty windy, low tide, so we'll see if we can make anything happen. I have my doubts, but let's hope. Little schnookers. Oh, he ain't even fighting. This area is pretty loaded with red tide right now, so I see floating jacks, and it's not looking good. Got a nice one? Got another guy. Same thing, they're just not fighting, man. Beautiful little fish. Tiny little snook. At least I'm catching, man. It's been a rough day today. Definitely been struggling to find anything, but the red tide's in the area. I thought the report said it was going to be a lot lower than what it is, clearly. Seeing plenty of dead fish today, but we're still catching. Still catching. All we can do is try. Still been a beautiful day on the water. Can't complain. Buddy let me use his kayak. I love it. Thing's huge. Well, that feels better. That feels better. Oh, sheepy? Little sheep head. Oh yeah. I love the sheephead. They're always a good fight. Caught a sheep, brother. I said I caught a sheepy. All right, I'm letting you go. And he's going. There we go. Snapper. Little snapper. Look at this guy. Bouncing around like crazy. Yeah, I know, brother. This one, mangrove action. Little guy. better, Snook. Ah, here we go. Man. I barely felt him. I did not get a good hook set. There we go. Ooh-wee. Little jack. No, little mangrove. Color on this guy. I can't tell if he's healthy or if the red tide is not doing so great for him. Stacked up over there. Snook's acting like a trout. That voodoo doing the work, baby. She's small, but hey, we're on him now. Found the spot. They're all stacked up right here. Hold on, brother. Nice little guy. Peace out. That's a better stuff. It's a little better. Getting better, getting a little better. Still small, but today with these conditions, I will take anything I can get. Oh yeah, going in. See you, dude. Got something. I don't know what it is. A jack? Oh no, a nice red. Same as you. Let's get you off here, buddy. That voodoo doing good work. Nice little red. Look at that fucking blue on that tail. Blue is amazing. He's drumming on me. Oh yeah. Thanks for the fun, brother. Can't beat that. Not complaining at all. For a tough day like we had, I've caught some decent fish. Not a big snook or anything, but plenty of snook. That red was nice. He was probably an eater, but we ain't keeping fish, especially with this red tide going on. Let's get back at it though. Off the tree. Off the tree. That was insane. I got snagged up on the tree and the snook bit it before I even got it off the tree. I'm telling you, Voodoo is the only lure I've used today. Works every time. Right out of the corner of his mouth. He ain't huge. But on a day like today, I will take anything. Still beautiful. See, brother? Voodoo's doing his job today. Oh. That's a nice fish. Oh my God. Yo! So I have no idea what you guys just saw, but that was the biggest snook of the day, of course. Hooked it, GoPro dies mid-fight. Hopefully I'm going to include everything I can from that, and I did get some footage from my other camera, but it was not that great. Man, that snook fought, but I'll tell you what, it did not look good. That thing had some marks on it, had some red discoloration. I didn't want to keep it out of the water too long. I wasn't going to put a GoPro battery in and just to get some footage of it. I wasn't trying to kill the snook, so I just let it go. But I am hyped that made this day because, man, it was a struggle. But I'll tell you what, that was great. That was great fishing, a great fight. Old girl put me through hell. Now she's got a story to tell. Retie, do my uni knot like normal. It's the only knot I ever tie. You can tie that. I've used it shark fishing, so if you can catch a shark on it, I'm pretty sure you can catch everything else on it. It's quick, strong. It's never failed me, so I keep tying it. Let's see if I can get another one, man. Oh my God. Got the fresh battery in, so if I do catch something, you'll actually be able to see it. Oh man, that was amazing. Another nice little snook. Another one in the books, baby. Oh, Voodoo literally just hopped out. A lot healthier snook, this guy. In your face. Open your mouth. A lot healthier of a snook, that one. See you, brother. flounder. I was wondering what was hitting me. It didn't make sense. Now it does. Caught a little jack. Calm down, brother.
Alright, I got you, dude. The weirdest thing happened. I caught a huge mullet with the pink Savage gear.
Amazing! How was the fight?
It was pretty good.
I was gonna say I heard they fight well. I've just never actually caught one.
Yeah, dude. I thought it was a fucking redfish. No, it was just a big ass mullet.
That's dope. Did you film it?
No, I forgot.
Ah, it's all good.
I know. I gotta get better at that.
Oh, listen. Well, yeah, cause that. Old Town? This is my first time on it. It's my buddy's. I have the manta ray, but I'll tell you what, this thing is fucking stable. I have never stood in the kayak before, and there's no, I can dance around if I want to. I think it's ridiculous.
Yeah, you can stand pretty good on this one too. It's small, but it's pretty stable.
With the 10?
Yeah, 10.
How is it paddling? How do you like the drive?
I love the drive.
Yeah.
I mean, my dad has the, he's got a Hobie, but he has like the older drive. It doesn't have the reverse.
No reverse? Yeah.
Reverse.
Especially when you're fighting big snook off the banks, you can just bring them straight out.
Yeah.
Fighting them with the paddle, you look going on either side. Just, oh, come on, stay on, please. Yeah, just to try not to go into the mangroves.
You filming?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, YouTube?
I just started. I haven't even came up with a name yet. All right, guys. Well, pretty successful day for it being a shitty day. A lot of wind, pretty cold, red tide. Still caught some fish. One nice snook, even though it looked like shit. And you probably didn't see all of it, but there's a little bit of footage of it. Still a great day. Thank you guys for tuning into my first video. Hope you have a great day fishing.